All right, here's a couple of things to try if swiping up on your Android phone doesn't bring up the apps like it used to. First of all, let's make sure that the app drawer is enabled. On Samsung phones, it can be fully disabled, which makes swiping up behave differently. On your lock screen, you'll tap and hold any empty space, and then you'll go to Settings by using the buttons on the bottom. Then you'll go to Home Screen Layout, and make sure it's set to Home Screen and App Drawer. In some cases, this is all you need to bring it back to normal. On some phones, the swipe doesn't work if you're swiping all the way down from the bottom edge. My phone still kinda works when I swipe from there, but on some phones, this just triggers a bounce animation. Try swiping from the middle of your screen. Sometimes that's all it takes to get to the app drawer. Some Android 16 builds can also have a bug that causes the system UI to freeze and not work properly. If you think this might be happening on your phone, you can reset the Home app. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps, and from there, we'll find the Home app. On Samsung phones, it's called One UI Home. Some other brands call it System UI. Within the app settings, we can choose Force Stop. Your screen might flicker as the Home app reloads, and sometimes this will fix temporary glitches and allow the Home app and swipe gestures to work properly. One more thing that can sometimes cause issues. If you've installed a launcher app, those will often sort of hijack your home screen and change the way it looks and behaves. If you want to reset everything back to normal, we can switch back to the standard Home app from the app settings. We'll go to Settings, scroll to Apps, and then go to Choose Default Apps. Then choose the default Home app. On Samsung, that's One UI Home. Some call it System UI. If you have a launcher active, you'd usually see the launcher name here set as default. And that's it. One of those will often fix the issue. Let me know if you have any questions. Tap that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.